The Fly by Gusti. The big day has arrived, said the fly. Today I'm going swimming. It was a beautiful morning and the fly was very, very happy. What a great swim I'm going to have, he said to himself. He had everything a fly could need: a bag, some sunscreen, a towel and a ball. Perfect! He tested the water to see how it felt. First with one leg, then with another, and another, until finally he paddled with all his legs. The water was not too hot, not too cold, just the way he liked it. So he dived right in. While he was swimming, he hummed his favourite song. He sang and danced, and he hopped around. Oh, he was the happiest fly in the world. But suddenly, the sky grew dark. As dark as night, with no moon or stars. The fly kept very quiet, alert. A rumble of thunder shook his wings. And then another noise, and another. Oh, there must be a storm coming my way, he whispered to himself. Why didn't I bring my umbrella? He grumbled as he looked up. And there, in the sky, he saw a terrible thing. Huge, enormous, as big as a football stadium, and it was coming straight at him. The meteorite crashed into the water, making giant waves. The fly tried to escape, but his wings were wet. He was caught in a huge whirlpool, sucking everything down. Oh, this was the end. But no, the fly managed to escape just in time, soaring up and away like a hang glider. Seconds later, he heard a voice saying, "Mum, Mum, I've finished." The fly was extremely cross, and he promised himself he'd never ever go in the water again, because swimming can be very, very dangerous.